Now students, take out your English books from your bag and see on page number 6 there is a story. The name of the story is The Golden Feather. What is the name of the story? The Golden Feather. You listen the story. It is very interesting story. One day, the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a golden feather. Golden feather. Then she met a little old man. He said, if you give me that feather, I will give you a 3 big diamonds. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met an old woman. She said, if you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls. Sorry, the queen said. Then she met a king. The king said, if you give me that feather, I will give you 99 golden coins. Sorry, the queen said. Lastly, then she met a prince. Oh, Mama, what a bright, beautiful feathers. Take it, my dear, said the queen, and keep it safe. Keep it safe. Understood? Now I am going to translate the story into in Marathi language. एक दिवस राणी आपल्या बगीच्यामध्ये फेरफटका मारत असताना तिला एक सोन्याचे पीस सापडले. नंतर ती एका लहान म्हाताऱ्याला भेटते. तो म्हातारा म्हणतो, तुम्ही जर मला हे सोन्याचे पीस दिले तर मी तुम्हाला ती मोती दिली. नंतर ती एका म्हाताऱ्या बाईला भेटते. ती म्हणते, जर मला तू हे सोन्याचे पीस देशील तर मी तुला 21 मोती असलेला 21 मोत्यांचा मी तुला हार देईन. नंतर ती राजाला भेटते. राजा म्हणतो, तू जर मला हे सोन्याचं पीस दिलं तर मी तुला सोन्याचे 99 नाणे देईन. शेवटी ती राजपुत्राला भेटते आणि राजपुत्र म्हणतो, तुम्हाला काय सुंदर आहे सोन्याचं पीस. आणि ती राजपुत्राला म्हणते, तू माझ्या प्रिय हे तू हे घे आणि सुरक्षित ठेव. इट इज व्हेरी interesting stories. In this story, there are many words. Feather, you know that feathers. You have already seen feather. In this way, the feather means peace. Feather means peace. It is the simple peace. In this story, it is the golden peace. Then diamond. डायमंड म्हणजे हिरा. देन नेकलेस म्हणजे हार. देन पर्ल्स म्हणजे मोती. अँड प्रिन्स म्हणजे राजपुत्र. अगदी याच्यामध्ये there are many words and these words are familiar for you. Now the homework for you, I ask some questions and try to write the answer of this question in your notebooks. The first question is that where was the queen taking a walk? Write down the question in your notebooks. Then find out the answer of these questions. Where was the queen taking a walk? Second questions. What did the queen find in her garden? What did the queen find in her garden? The next questions. To whom did the queen meet in this poem? Third question is, to whom did the queen meet in this poem? You have to find out the answer of these questions. And one homework for you, you have to find out, there are 4 numbers in this story. There are 4 numbers in this story. You have to find out which numbers are. Which numbers are. For example, 99. Rest of you have to find out. Then the one thing is that give the past tense. Give the past tense. Past tense म्हणजे भूतकाळ. Past tense म्हणजे भूतकाळ. There are 2 words in this poem. Met, found. Meet past tense. Met. Find past tense. Found. Thanks students. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.